Hi, my name's Carol Davis and I'm Director of Student Support Services at Aberystwyth University. And my role is to ensure you receive the support you need during your time at university so you can maximise your academic potential and achieve academic success. Although most of you will sail through your university career without any significant problems, now and again we all need a little extra help to get us through the ups and downs of life. And the university has a range of support available to help you during any difficult times. As you begin your studies, you'll be allocated a personal tutor who will be your first point of contact for any queries, both academic and personal. Now, it's quite usual to wonder how you'll get along with people or whether you'll make new friends. And to help you settle in quickly, the university arranges a number of activities during the first few weeks where you'll get the chance to meet both staff and students. The Students' Union organises a Freshers' Fair, and this is a good opportunity to find out about and join up to the range of clubs, societies and volunteering opportunities that are available, and also to meet other students who share your interests. As you're here to study, you'll find the university provides a range of help to support you with your academic work, from general advice on academic writing, revision techniques or advice on accessing library materials, to specialist tuition for students who have a specific learning difference. And if you do have a specific learning difference, or perhaps you have a long-standing impairment or health condition, the university can also arrange one-to-one support, individual examination arrangements, or even specific accommodation. You just need to get in touch with our team of accessibility advisors and they'll discuss your individual needs with you. And they can also help you apply for certain specialist funding called the Disabled Students Allowances. Now, students sometimes worry about how they'll manage their money and whether they'll struggle to make ends meet, particularly if they've not been used to handling their own money before coming to university. If this is something you're concerned about, we have advisors who can help you get organised, and sometimes we can also help from our hardship fund, for example if your loan is delayed or if you have an unexpected financial problem. The university also provides a range of academic bursaries and scholarships, so it may be worth your while finding out what's on offer by looking at the scholarships and bursaries page on the Aberystwyth University website. While our students usually enjoy good health, we do ask that you register with a local GP soon after you arrive, just in case. We also have a wellbeing service which supports students with any emotional, psychological or mental health issues, working where appropriate with local statutory and community organisations to get support in place for you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found it informative and I look forward to answering any questions you may have about the services that we have on offer. Goodbye.